I don't know much about UVs, but I know how to add details with UVs. First, you need bunch of UV maps. You can add as much as you want. Now select any UV map and add and unwrap your model. We will do project from view. So add an image texture with node wrangler, enable hit control T to bring the mapping in texture coordinate node, replace your texture coordinate node with your UV map node and choose the UV map you just unwrapped and add your image. Cool. We have details. In edit mode, scale your UV and place the text where you want it. This is too much detail and we need to reduce it. Change the image texture from repeat to clip. So your detail don't get too much. There you go. Place it somewhere. It will look cool. Now duplicate the node setup and add this add shader into this one and Ctrl Shift T to view the node. Load your image, select other UV map, unwrap again and change the UV map in UV node. Also place this anywhere you want to. One more time, duplicate the nodes, change the image, select another UV map, unwrap, change UV map in UV node and place it somewhere. Do repeat this process and add as much detail as you want, but try to not overdo it. That will not look cool. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.